Welcome to LingoQuiz. Let's continue learning English tenses. Today we're diving into the present perfect continuous. In this video, you'll test your skills with real examples. Each part has 9 quiz questions, from easy to hard. Then, 15 final questions for a full tense review. Don't worry, we'll remind you of the key rules before every quiz. And don't forget to download the free PDF file in the description. It has the full explanation and extra practice. Let's start with the affirmative form. Now it's your turn. Answer 9 quick affirmative questions. Been studying. Been working. Been waiting. Has been handling. Has been asking. Have been preparing. Has been experiencing. Has been requesting. Has been leading. Now let's look at the negative form. Practice time. Here are 9 quick negative questions. Been studying. Been sleeping. Been working. Hasn't been responding. Hasn't been listening. Haven't been following. Hasn't been working. Hasn't been getting. Haven't been meeting. Next, let's learn the interrogative form. Let's try 9 short interrogative questions. been studying, been working, been waiting, has been handling, has been asking, have been preparing, has been requesting, has been requesting, has been leading. Now let's test everything with 15 final questions. Been studying, been working, been waiting, been sleeping, been raining, has been studying, have been working, been paying, been making, been waiting, has been working, been handling, haven't been paying, been working, been using. Great job! If this video helped you, like and subscribe. Now watch the next tense, the past simple.